When it comes to high-end luxury vehicles, it's what's on the inside that counts.
For us, it's crucial that we consider every detail and give each project that technological wow factor, because ultimately that's what conveys the luxury feel.
But looking good isn't enough. Interior applications of this type need to function perfectly, faultlessly, all the time, every time.
We've been pushing the boundaries for over 10 years now with interior system design and manufacture for a number of large luxury vehicle manufacturers.
Using our expertise in system engineering, component design, manufacturing, assembly and test, we're able to solve complex design problems quickly, but crucially without cutting corners. Our collaborative approach to innovation means our departments can work together seamlessly to help our customers meet tight deadlines.
We're experts in solving interior engineering challenges